Abuse VQ, stay locked in.
Hey, squad, let me keep you on the loop. I already told y'all. We're gonna get this this roof cleaned up. So, got the glue that I need for the carbon fiber. Booyah. Did my research. They're saying that's the best glue for the carbon fiber. That's gonna give me the most flexibility, the most work time once I lay it. If I need to adjust it or anything, this would give me 20 minutes of work time to adjust the carbon fiber. And yeah, squad, I'm serious with mine, bro. Let's finish sanding this down. Y'all see where we at. Let's sand it down. Let's finish getting this shit even so it'll be decent. And yeah, team, let's get ready to hand lay some carbon fiber on the roof. Y'all already know. Hi team, getting there, sanding this shit down, getting roof ready so we can lay this carbon fiber down. So we just got pretty much this side to do and get all of this dusty shit off. Plastic dip, sand it down so it's nice and even. I'll give the car a nice wash. Still gotta wait for the materials to come in, but y'all see what we doing. Y'all see where we at, you know what I mean? Something real light. Squad, give y'all that finish look on it. Sand it down. Just gotta wash it, but for the most part, got all this other shit off. Come through, wash it down, and really get ready to set up. Put the order in for the materials. Guess who's gonna have a carbon fiber roof soon? You already know. Alright, squad, kinda dived in, ain't really give two thoughts of what was going on. I like to really break out the camera, so we on it. So yeah, hella stubborn. I said F-bomb it, took it to the sawzall, chopped it down. Yeah, mo, that inner tire rod done, boy. That shit is done. So that one is done. I'm pretty sure the other one is done. Got the boot. Swap it out, grease it up a little bit just so I know the next one that's going in is good as well. When the shit fucking rains, it pours, team. Look at my fucking CV axle. That is crazy, squad. I got a fresh pair right over here, with my pile of other stuff to go with this HR swap, but it's just I was hoping a lot of this stuff would hold up until I was ready to swap, but it's looking like going to have to put a few things into overdrive and get this swap done like yesterday. So this is what we doing now. Inner and outer tie rods. I got the new premium doormen. These are heavy duty. I'll break those out so I can show you those in a minute. These is my always go-to outer tire rods, heavy duty from Mevotech. You already know, team. I'll pop those out so y'all can see those in a minute. But this is what we doing. We in here. Swap those out. Just put in an order for the lower control arms and strut mounts. And just start wrapping up the suspension. After that, my next order is gonna be for the SPC camber kit in the back. And let's have some fun with it. Hey team, just wanted to show y'all what we're working with. Oh, my bad, get the dirty shit out the way. So, the old outer, inner tire rod. This is the little clamp that went around the boot. Here, got a hose clamp for that. Boot is still good, no rips, no tears, we straight there. Just wanted to show y'all. So this is the Dorman inner tire rod heavy duty that I went with off of Rock Auto. Literally, it's probably a 1/4 of an inch thicker. Not that much of a difference from this, but definitely just a little bit thicker than that. Like, you can feel it definitely in between the fingertips. So, went heavy duty with the inner tie rod. Same thing with the outer tie rod. This is the Mevo Tech. I went with, take the cap off. Got your outer tie rod. Got your little pressure bolt that goes on the bottom here. Your two lock nuts. This one I'm gonna swap this one and put this on the outer tie rod here and take this little cheap shit off. This is the one that's gonna lock it to the knuckle, and then of course you got your cotter pin. So get ready to lock and load, team. Try and get this sturdy. You already know. It's go time. All right, squad, let me just keep you on the loop on what we got going, what we're doing. As of right now, had a few things come in. Few things gotta kind of go out. I gotta see what's up. But transmission fluid for that swap when it come through, for that other tranny, you know what I mean? Gotta have the Redline transmission fluid, A1. See, I got the CV axles. I'm about to swap them shits out now. I should have did that while I was doing the in and out of tire rods. It is what it is. My straps came in, so I can hoist this damn engine out. And what else? Got some more power steering fluid just in case. And that's it right now. Just wanted to keep y'all in the loop. So we're gonna get to these CV axles, get this shit swapped out. And yeah, let's get it started, squad. All right, team, we in. Y'all can see the damage up close now. Yeah, we got it out. Where we at? Big boy joint, 32. We already show. So got this here. I'm gonna get a bungee cord so I can bungee this up to my coilover, so it's not putting that much tension. Let's do that. That's highly important. Let's see. Let's try and grab it in here, and then we'll just loop this around like so. And we'll bungee this up so it'll take some tension off of the brake line. But yeah, getting started, team. Let's get this shit out. Let's go. Done. Party adjourned. Hey, team. CB plays no games, baby. We in here. Old shit out. It's time for me to get the cleanup process going. Where we at? You know me. Got the brake cleaner. We'll get that shit squeaky clean for the most part. Up to my liking. Get this shit clean. I honestly need lower control arms. Just ordered those, so gotta install those. But yeah, you see we out, and you see this shit is done, boy. Oh my goodness, man. Like, huh? Damn. Yeah, this shit is done, bro. Like, mad wobble in the steering wheel due to that. So let's get the my old CV axle in. Let's get shit back how it's supposed to be. Yeah, they still don't got that much tension on it. Let's get it up like that though. And let's wiggle this my other one in, and let's get it popping, team. Reverse Uno card. Let's go. Let's clean up first. Team, I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me see if I can't get close. You see it looks shiny, right? Booyah. Drop some anti-seize on your passenger side CV axle bracket. So now the next time you need to take it out, it'll come out super easy. And on top of that, I'm gonna put some anti-seize on the bolts because I know it gets hot, right? I mean, it's right here by the rear catalytic converter. So I already know it gets hot. That'll help. And this is definitely good prep. So when I'm ready to snatch all of this good stuff out to do this HR swap, we'll be good to go. Yeah, see, leaking transmission fluid. I was ready. Let's go. And coming back together, team. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. We locked in. About to throw the tire back on, everything. The low control arms need those. Let me show y'all why. That right there, boot, or the ball joint ripped, done yet. Need those. So orders put in, let's get that, but everything is in. That's how it's supposed to look. That's not how it's supposed to look. So, good to go. Let's go. Let's get the other side. All right, squad. In here on the driver's side. You already know what time it is. It's the pain in the ass. So, get in here. Once we pull this, we'll let the transmission fluid drain. But let's get this splash guard off. And that'll give us more access, a little bit more of a clear shot. And I'll bend the knuckle out the way some more so I have some more playroom right here up front. And we can get it popping, team. You already know. Do some light cleaning over here too. Oh, and I actually got a radiator clamp that I can put on that inner tie rod boot where I see that red zip tie. Yeah, we can lock that down properly. So let's just get to the whole thing over here. I got the transmission fluid to refill the transmission, so let's get it. You already know, team. So, bro, this is where I'm stuck at, Mo. Like, this fucking O2 sensor will not come out, my nigga. I've literally went to work on this shit. You would have thought a nigga was breaking out of jail, bro. Like, what the fuck, B? I've been on this shit for like an hour now, my nigga. Like, I did my inner and outer tie rods. Those shits was dead easy, bro. Brand new shits, like, both sides. That shit was dead easy, Mo. This shit, though? All right, team, y'all see it. My front pre-cat. That shit is KIA, man. Done deal. Yeah, I don't know what they did with this O2 sensor. I could not get that shit out for the life of me, bro. Like, you'd have thought I was trying to break out of jail with everything I was using to try and get it off. But that's a done deal. On top of that, this shit broke when it was coming off. Another screw on this joint is missing our stud. So it's like, let me just cop a new one. This is what was honestly giving me my check engine and stopping me from getting the 3.0 inspected. So get this shipped out from Rock Auto sometime today. Should have it in a couple days. Back on the road, team. Y'all already should know. Alright, team, we in here. Let me move this out the way since we're done with the CV axles and the transmission fluid install and all of that. Let's move that out the way, but got the front cat. Yo, bro, my other shit was done. That shit had no honeycomb in it, bro. That shit was straight through, bro. Like, you can blow smoke straight through that shit, bro. That shit had no honeycomb, so that was definitely where my check engine was at. Hopefully the rear shit will hold on until we can get this shit inspected and call this shit a wrap, team. So both CV axles done. Shit is over there in the cut. We're gonna do the pre-cat, slap this joint in there. I'll probably unplug my mass airflow sensor so I can reset the fuel trims. Let the car run for maybe like 5-10 seconds and then reset the codes and take it for a drive. Let's see what's up. Let's start to get this installed. Yeah, you already know. Came to see Bobby to get that inspection. We good, baby. Let's go. There we go. Like that. Now y'all know all of the menacing and mayhem about to go down.